Nephews, fellow aunties, welcome back to Unboxmas. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie, Auntie Ren, here again with another video. If you are new, hello, welcome, settle in, happy Saturday. We are doing unboxings until the 25th. This is literally our last weekend, so excited to just, you know, show you the last bits of what I guess I'm gifting myself for Christmas. So we're just running through them. And if you're returning, hello darlings, welcome back. Love to see you. Thank you so much for riding with me. Let's get into it. You know who you are, you know, if you've been here from day one, my day ones. And if you haven't been here since day one and you want to get caught up, I'll leave the playlist in the iCard so you can go and check out some other videos. They're really nice to watch, like whilst you're wrapping presents, or, you know, in that Uber going to that party or what have you. You can throw on a video and give it a watch. You know, YouTube just sent us our analytics. I won't be sharing mine, but some folks have shared and theirs are amazing, but my numbers are struggling, so I don't know. But hopefully, you know, this we'll get some more views and you know, and bump it up a bit. But Auntie Ren will not be sharing her analytics. not this year, maybe next year. We need to do a little work, a little bit of work. We need to put a little work in. But anyway, all right, so we're here again. And if you saw the title of the video, you're going to be like, what Sway? What is going on with you? I don't know. Again, here we are. So it's small though, so if that makes you feel any better. I don't know what the thumbnail is going to look like yet, because I filmed the video first and then I do thumbnails and so on. So I don't know what the thumbnail is going to look like, but it's small, if that makes you feel any better about the ridiculous amounts of unboxings from Chanel that we've had during Unboxmas. I think this is number 4, maybe 4th, probably 4th unboxing. Yeah, and it's not the last. So just, you know, ride with me for a minute, you know, just ride with me on this Chanel train. I finally have an essay. I finally have someone that I can reach out to and be like, hey sis, do you have X, Y, and Z? And she's like, sis, I got you. So here we go. Here's another, you know, unboxing from my new essay. Oh, and I did get this time round, I don't know if this is everything, I don't know, but I got a card from my essay, which I thought was really nice. I'm not going to show what she wrote in it, but I thought that was really nice. I believe that's Coco Chanel, and a palm tree situation going on there, which I thought was really nice. So yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm in a relationship, all right? I'm in an entanglement with my Chanel essay. I'm in a relationship. So, and I actually have now, well, yeah, I don't know if you know, if she's watching, so I don't want to say, but I may have more than one at this point. But anyway, yeah, you know, we have commitment issues, so I've been burned in the past. Anyway, all right, so here we go. So we're gonna go through it, try to make this kind of quick, but you know, the shenanigans. It's Saturday, all right? I've got like a boatload of things to do. I'm getting ready to retire this hair, you know, so that means a bit of a switch up. Got to get ready for holiday, because after Christmas, the family and I are going away, so you know, yeah, there's a lot going on, and we just have to get ready for Christmas, just general things. So lots going on today, so I need to hurry this along, but it's little. And then this go round, I did get, I don't know, I feel like somebody be watching my videos. That's all I'm saying. I feel like she'd be watching me. She's watching my videos because I got samples. So, and then a lot of you were telling me, and I was telling my essay, that a lot of you were talking about the different fragrances and how, you know, I'm not really a big fan of them. I think a lot of you suggested Chance, I think that was one of them. I don't know. So she gave me a couple so I can try, because I told her I'm not a huge fan of Chanel perfumes or fragrances. So I have Gabrielle here. All right. And then I have, I don't know, Paris Venice, Le Eau de Chanel. I don't know what I'm doing here. Le Eau de Chanel. Yeah. So that's that. Okay. And I have Bleu de Chanel. I thought blue was men's. Is blue men's? I don't know if she tried to slide that in for the hubby. But then I have blue. So I don't know. I'm going to give them a smell, because I always talk about how I'm not a fan of, I think I smelled blue before. I feel like I've smelled blue, but I'm not a fan of Chanel perfumes just in general. But hey, maybe I can be converted. You never know, you know, whatever. So let's give it a go. Okay, that's blue. That's nice. Blue is nice. Blue smells like it could be gender neutral. I mean, I could see it being, you know, feminine fragrance as well as masculine. So blue's all right. It's not super complex or anything like that, but it's okay. This is the funny one. Le Eau de Chanel, I don't know. I'm not saying that properly. You know I'm not. But it's that one. Let's see. Oh, try to spray yourself in the eyeball, yeah? Okay, that's nice. That smells pretty. That smells pretty. I don't know how to describe these. They're not doing like, they smell like perfume. They're not like super complex. They smell like you're wearing perfume. Gabrielle is nice. It smells like, do you not remember Avon? Is Avon still a thing? Gabrielle smells like a perfume that the ladies at my mom's office used to wear back in like back in the early 90s. It smells like an Avon perfume. No, I mean, it's nice. It's not bad. It just reminds me of something I smelled once before. Yeah, it's definitely giving me a vibe. I think like my mom would probably really love Gabrielle. This smells really nice. But it reminds me of a fragrance that I smelled in my childhood, like someone that I knew that wore this. Very light, floral. It smells like a perfume. Yeah. I don't like blue. It's taking on this kind of, it's definitely a little bit more masculine, and it smells a little bit like licorice, a little. I'm not a fan of that. This one's okay. It smells like lipstick. I'm not a fan. I'm sorry. I'm just not a fan of Chanel fragrances. But this one, Gabrielle, I think would be my favorite. It reminds me of my mom, or like the ladies that my mom used to hang out with. Like, they were very fabulous back then. Like, really always done up, always put together, always had their wigs snatched, lipstick on, dresses, pantyhose, stockings. Like, they were always together, you know? Like, very, you know, put together women. And this smells like either one of them, or maybe a fragrance that my mom used to wear back then in my childhood. I might get this for my mom for Christmas. This is nice. All right, moving on. Okay, thank you for the experience, but besides Gabrielle, maybe buying for my mom, I wouldn't really purchase it for myself, but it's all good. Okay, ding, let's go. All right, we've got a sticker. Oh, that came off easy. All right, and then the ribbon. Da, 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 da. Just try not to have the box upside down. And ooh, felt something. Okay, so it has a card here. Hold on. So this, and then there's a little, I'm assuming this is a little care booklet. I don't know. I never read these things. I always skip past them, and one of these days it's going to have something like super like important, and I completely missed it. It just says thank you for your recent Chanel costume jewelry purchase, and then it goes into talking about how it was crafted and all of that in there. So maybe one of these days I should actually read one of these little things, because it may have some valuable info. So this is what we're working with. So obviously it's jewelry. I mean, you know, look how small it is. Unless, well, it could be like a mini bag. And oh god, I was like, don't tell me it's empty. Ooh, that would have been fire. Oh wow, oh wow. All right, you ready? Oh, I'm gonna turn around. Wow, wow, wow. This is beautiful. Holy cow, look at that. Wowza. Oh, that's stunning. Is the light catching it? Oh wow, that's, oh, look at the reflection on that. Yes, sweetheart. Give them joy. Yes. All right, this is, let me take it out so you can see it better. Oh, this is stunning. Oh, it's like okay, it's pinned to the actual it's pinned to the stuffing, like the thing here. So hold on a second. Okay, and there's like a string. That's weird. So there's a string here and it's pinned to this, but let's bend this back, and there we go. So now you should be able to see it. Fantastic. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. Okay, let me give you some details. We need details. What do we have here? This is it just says brooch metal. That's all. It gives me the price. It was $625 US dollars, and I have a style number. It's super long. It's like really long. But I'll put it on the screen. It's like A63085Y02003. It's very long. So I'll put it on the but I'll put it on the screen, so that way if you're interested in getting it, if I can find it on the website. Now, you know, with Chanel, what's on the website and what's in the store, they don't always talk to each other. But if I can find this on the website, I will definitely put a stock image up so you can see it, the online image up, and like what the price is going for. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. This is so nice. So I've wanted a Chanel brooch for some time now. I would say since I saw, it has a little fuzzy here, since I saw I think Jerusha's. I think Jerusha has something similar, but I've wanted one for so long. I just think this is such a great piece. I mean, oh my gosh, guys, look at the sparkle on. Do you see the sparkle on her? Oh my gosh, let's just, I don't know, I'm trying to get it to hit off the lights from all the angles so you can see it. It's very sparkly. It has like stones all over. It's silver. I believe that's silver. Yeah, it should be. It's more like a silver. It's not the champagne. It's not yellow gold. I wanted something like this because I think that is such a flex to just be a pop of color on little things, like a blazer, like a jacket, a sweater, a shirt. I mean, you know, especially when I have like dark hair, when I'm doing the dark hair, and you can just like pop this on, and it's just so chic. And I feel like I could wear this literally until like dying day. Like this is going in the casket, you know, like all the way down. You're taking it with you. But it's something that like, it just transcends ages. It's, you know, definitely something that no matter what, it's a flex. Like you're good to go. Casual, good to go. Maybe, I don't know, maybe if you're like super like boho chic or what have you, perhaps this is not going to be your jam. But even so, it still can give off a bit like, I don't know, like a vintage vibe. I can't see you not thinking this, like not liking this. Like it's just so classic, so chic, quintessential Chanel, quintessential. And I'm here for it. I'm here for it. All the vibes, here for it. So I'm obsessed. I think this is amazing. I mean, I've seen them on the resale market for like, they're marked up ridiculous. So if you can get one in store, I say go for the one in store, because this one was only $6.25, and they have some that I've seen like on Fashion File or something like that for like crazy amounts. And if I can't find it on the website, on the Chanel site, I will look on Fashion File and see if they have any, but the price will obviously be different. Well, it might not be, I don't know, we'll see when we get it, when I get there. But in most cases the prices have been marked up because they're a little bit hard to catch in store. But I'm so excited that I got one. Stop, this new SA, ooh, we like you. Anyway, so this is it for me, nieces, nephews, fellow aunties. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when we are dropping these gems, when Auntie Ren is getting SAs. But I'll give you a hint, we'll be back tomorrow. No SA tomorrow, no, I don't think we're going to open anything SA-ish, but I do have a couple of gems still coming up, and like a really nice big beautiful piece, maybe, I don't know, sometime soon. But anyway, that's it from me. I'll talk to you a lot soon. Have a great weekend, be safe, see you tomorrow. Talk to you soon. Bye.